Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Farid Mizi bin Muhammad. Today we will present project report for Scapula. For the research background, additive manufacturing has a high potential due to its widespread use in many industries today. It also gives revolutionary impact on printing of human bone, prosthetics, custom implant, and dental appliances. Next, in orthopedics, additive manufacturing is effectively utilized to create a duplicate of the bone that aids in a variety of bone therapies. A realistic 3D physical model has made it easier for surgeons and patients to grasp medical issues. AM also is utilized to provide training, pre-operative planning, and education for implant design. For the objectives, the first objective is to study application of scapula in additive manufacturing. Next, to analyze scapula in additive manufacturing. Next, to design and fabricate scapula using Autodesk Fusion 360 and additive manufacture module. For the scope, the first scope is design scapula using Fusion 360. The second is fabricate scapula using additive manufacturing. For the aim is to study the fundamental of application scapula in additive manufacturing.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hazim Zahizan. I will talk about literature review. First is about reverse engineering. Reverse engineering method enables enterprises to create a reservoir of fresh information that can be used to enhance production processes, designs, and products even in areas that they have minimal expertise. Next, I will talk about the CAD, Computer Aided Design. Computer Aided Design is the use of software. So the software is assist in design modeling, design analysis, engineering analysis, and also the design documentation. It also used to create a scapula design that have their own complexity and own accurate angle to be designed. Okay, lastly, I will talk about the material. For the study, our material chosen is acrylonitrile butadiene styrene ABS. So this graphite polymer have an outstanding toughness, dimensional stability, processability, and chemical resistance. It also resistant to damage. It also can be drilled, and it used to make surgical tools and guidance.
We continue with methodology. In this project, we use fuse deposition modeling. Fuse deposition modeling, which is FDM, is a type of additive manufacturing technology that uses a thermoplastic material, which is heated and extruded through a small nozzle to build up layers and create a 3D object. It is one of the most widely used and accessible form of 3D printing, and is often used for prototyping, product development, and even some low-volume production. It can be used to create a wide range of parts and prototypes, and is a relatively fast, low-cost, and versatile method of 3D printing. For next slide, we use ABS filament. ABS filament is a thermoplastic commonly used in FDM 3D printing. It is known for its strength, durability, and ability to withstand high temperatures. ABS is a good choice for a wide range of applications, including prototyping, engineering, and manufacturing. However, ABS filament can emit toxic fumes when heated and require a heated bed during printing process. So, it is important to work in a well-ventilated area and use a proper safety equipment. For the next slides, we use Autodesk Fusion 360 is used to draw this innovative design. The cloud-based 3D CAD/CAM software Autodesk Fusion 360 combines mechanical, electrical, and system engineering into a unified platform for product development. We can design and produce 2D and 3D design that can be used for manufacturing with Fusion 360. The software also allows us to analyze and simulate design for motion, stress and strength. For the next slides, we can see the result, which is from front view, side view and back view.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Mama Arash Ramanuddin and I will present about the discussion of scapula. Scapula production and use in medical and scientific setting could be revolutionized by additive manufacturing. Usage of scapula in medical and research application has the potential to be considerably improved by additive manufacturing. The advantage of generating scapula additively is customization, improved precision, reduced cost, speed and material choice. Next, we go to the conclusion. 3D printing is really needed in surgical and medical field. The parts that been printed can also be used for educational purpose for surgeons and doctors. But high skill is needed to design the model, so the model will be accurately fit with the patient's anatomy. That's all from us. Thank you.